Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit PDF file on mobile using WPS Office. So if you need to edit a PDF on your phone quickly and easily, using WPS Office, you can edit, annotate, and modify PDF files like a pro. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can edit PDFs using the WPS Office. So first, let's just launch the WPS app. And now you can just find and open the PDF file that you want to edit. For example, in here. So I'm going to open this file, for example. Okay. So to edit this, you can just click on these options at the bottom of your screen. This one. And now you can just tap the text area that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to edit the last paragraph, so you can just click on it. Let's say you want to delete something or add something, you can do so. Here I'm going to delete the last sentence, for example. You can see I can do it easily, and I also can edit or add something to the text. So the PDF, I'm going to change. Okay, I'm going to add from this one, for example. I don't know why it becomes smaller. Let's just go with this. This is just an example. Okay, you can just write anything or add anything that you want. And if you are done, you can just tap on done at the top, and you can just save the file after that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can edit PDF files in WPS Office. So with a simple guide, you'll be able to edit PDF files on the go. So if you like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. And I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!